Gold is everywhere. We wear it around our necks, we wear it on our fingers.
It's inert, it's a stable metal.
It's in our iPhones, it's in other technologies. But this isn't a traditional story about gold.
My name is Matt Trau. I'm a professor of chemistry at the University of Queensland. Our lab is very interested in developing radically innovative nanotechnologies that could help cancer patients. The discovery that happened was a structure of DNA that seems to be universal for cancer. It's fairly easy to detect on gold.
When you put a cancerous DNA with the gold nanoparticles, the nanoparticles actually were like pushing apart from each other. That means the solution of the particles have a pink color. But when you put the normal DNA, the particles become blue. So this was a very, very simple way to detect cancer.
Cancer is not a single disease, it's a group of disease. It can happen anywhere in your body. We found a universal nature of DNA, which is common to all cancers.
We can make little electrodes, cheap electrodes, so that when the DNA sticks to the gold, it inhibits the current a little bit. That's easy to detect with portable devices, which could be done in a doctor's surgery, it could be done in a remote community, it could be done in the developing world. We'll catch so many more of these cancers when we can stop them.
So one of my colleagues was sitting in an airport and came across the article around the University of Queensland doing some research into cancer using gold nanoparticles. She thought, you know, here's a product that I'm a part of producing. How great would that be for evolution to be a part of that?
We're very grateful to Evolution Mining, who have donated $100,000 each year across 3 years. The funding is being used to do more testing of this technology in the clinic. One of the things that happened in the relationship with Evolution and their partners is we learned how exquisitely pure gold is being manufactured right here in Australia, the 4/9 gold.
Some people think gold comes out of the ground in a usable form, but before it is usable, it has to go through a number of extraction and refining processes. ABC Refinery adds value to gold, and the purity that we target is 99.99%.
Evolution Mining and the ABC Refinery have already got a really strong relationship. We send the product off site at around 40 to 60%. We pour them as doré bars.
We receive the metal, we'll melt it into bars, and then we can use our internal refining processes to basically purify that into 4/9 gold.
The relationship is starting to bring together all of these parties, and we can't wait to grow it further.
For me to say that I can be a part of, you know, two industries that would otherwise not be connected, I feel really privileged to be a part of this partnership.
We've all had friends and family die of this pernicious disease. We're very passionate about trying to make a difference.
I really think that's a really unique story about gold.
You know, gold now is being recognised and celebrated as, you know, something that is going to add value to people's everyday lives.